What is software testing? Software testing is the process of evaluating a software application or system to detect any defects, errors, or bugs. The goal of software testing is to ensure that the application or system meets the requirements and specifications, and that it functions correctly. Types of software testing. There are several types of software testing, including 1. Unit testing. Testing individual components or modules of the software. 2. Integration testing. Testing how individual components of the software work together. 3. System testing. Testing the complete system to ensure that it meets the requirements and specifications. 4. Acceptance testing. Testing to ensure that the system meets the business needs and can be accepted by the end users. 1. Testing techniques. There are several testing techniques that can be used in software testing, such as 1. Black box testing. Testing without knowledge of the internal workings of the software. 2. White box testing. Testing with knowledge of the internal workings of the software. 3. Manual testing. Testing performed manually by a tester. 4. Automated testing. Testing performed using software tools and scripts. Test planning and execution. The testing process involves planning the testing activities, designing the test cases, executing the tests, and reporting the test results. It's important to have a well-planned and structured testing process to ensure the effectiveness of the testing. Importance of software testing. Software testing is critical to ensure that software applications and systems are reliable, efficient, and free of errors. It helps to reduce the risks associated with software failures, and ensures that the end users have a positive experience with the software. Remember that software testing is a complex and continuous process, and requires a combination of technical skills, attention to detail, and creativity. As a beginner, it's important to focus on learning the fundamentals and building a strong foundation of knowledge and skills.